Hey guys, we received this Chalkola liquid chalk markers for test and try. They are erasable 10 pack with a gold and silver. Washable paint chalk pens for the chalkboard signs, blackboard, car window, bistro, glass board or any other purpose of use. So they are 6 millimeter of the reversible bold tip. So let me just open up this and show it to you. So these are the liquid chalks in here. As you can see, 10 vibrant color, which is like red, pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple and white, gold and silver. So they are the sparkling color. So what you have to do is like press it, like shake and then press it. So 6 mm reversible nib. So one side is the round tip and the other side is the chisel tip. So you have to just dab it for some time and you can see color coming up. Once it comes up, you can just start writing. So they are the nice, you can write easily as you can see, and very nice vibrant colors.